A hare is an animal that is really popular because he is really fast. A tortoise is an animal that is really popular because everyone knows that she is slow. So one day, a hare challenged a tortoise for a race. Tortoise agreed. The overconfident hare started the race. The overconfident hare was really fast and he went so many miles ahead of the tortoise. But the tortoise was just behind. Realizing that the tortoise is going to spend so much time to get to the final line, the overconfident hare took a nap. While the tortoise was really determined and planning to get to the end, no matter what kind of challenges she is going to face. The overconfident hare took a nap while the determined tortoise reached the final line. The moral of the story is if you are confident, slowly and carefully, you will get to the end. And if you are really overconfident and brag about your skills, no matter how quick you are, at some point you will fail. So don't underestimate other people's skills. Just because you have more skills in one side, maybe you lack some skills on the other side. Have a wonderful day.